What's happening in the crypto market?
Bitcoin, Mike, because it's booming again. We're back above 23K.
Bitcoin is surging to record highs today.
Apple's XRP token has surged more than 500%.
World's second largest cryptocurrency had an even bigger month.
Hey, check out Bitcoin getting hammered today, hitting its lowest level since last July.
The volatility in crypto, to really hash out the bull and the bear case for this asset class.
Hello guys, Tyler here from Daily Market Movements Crypto. Today we're going to be jumping into the Ethereum US dollar chart. But first of all, for any of you that may be interested in joining my signal service team, please feel free to head over to www.dailymarketmovementscrypto.com. Hit the subscribe button. This will take you through to the process to gain access to the group. But I just wanted to congratulate everybody that's been a part of it so far. The team is currently up 65% today, which is fantastic. So well done to all of you that have profited. If you would like to join, I charge a small fee of $29.99. But let's jump over to the Ethereum chart. So having a look at this chart, you can see since the back end of January to the start of early Feb, we have been stuck in this downwards channel for some time. But since recently, some nice relief to the upside. We've had a breakout. We formed a nice bull flag on top of resistance to then form support and since slowly grinded towards the upside. But very similar to what we described yesterday in the analysis for the Bitcoin chart was I do believe we have in fact short-termed bottom here and the low is in for at least a short term, and we're looking in the medium to long term for some good upwards price action for Ethereum. But looking at the chart today, I see a nice short to long play showing here on the chart for us to enter. But what am I looking for before I enter this short position and then before I look to go long on this chart? Now, what I'm looking for is a break of this rising wedge pattern. So for those of you that don't know, a rising wedge is a classic technical analysis pattern that shows bearish price action to come. Not always, but the probability is likely. So if I get a nice close on either the daily candle or the 4-hour candle below this wedge, I will then look to enter a short position. So we could see a nice grind higher still at least. If we have a look from the Fibonacci retracement perspective, from the swing high down to the swing low here, we have in fact had a nice retracement up to the 0.382 at about 1880, 1900, give or take, depending what chart you're looking at, and we are starting to show a little bit of resistance at this area. So we could in fact still continue to grind up higher, meet the 0.5 here at 2200 before breaking down from this wedge. So sitting on the sidelines for now until I see that confirmation. But that will give us a nice short position down here. Now again, as I was explaining, the profit potential and the price target depends on where this candle closes and where the top for this short-term price action is in fact in. But how we would draw it is from the swing low to the swing high, and say if we play it from where the candle is right now, this will give us a nice short position from the break down to about 1400 for Ethereum. So that's what I'm looking for on the short-term side before we go short in this position. And then once we get down to this zone here, which I think will give us a nice back test potentially of the parallel channel we were stuck in for so many months, it will give us a nice buy target between 1400 and 1200 to go long on the upside. So I hope that helped, team. Hopefully we get this play and it comes to us, but I will be keeping an eye on the chart very closely.